Welcome back to Rise and Heal, the channel dedicated to personal growth and emotional well-being. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the topic of healing the inner child and exploring recovery strategies specifically designed for adult children raised by emotionally immature parents. If you have experienced the lasting effects of emotional immaturity in your upbringing, this video is for you. Let's begin this transformative journey together. Understanding emotional immaturity is essential to our healing process. Emotionally immature parents often neglect to provide the emotional support and nurturing that their children need. Here's what emotionally immature parenting looks like. Lack emotional awareness. Emotionally immature parents often struggle to recognize and manage their own emotions. They may be easily overwhelmed, dismissive of their feelings, or unable to empathize with others. Inconsistent or absent emotional support. They may have difficulty providing consistent emotional support, validation, or comfort to their children. Their emotional responses may be unpredictable. Difficulty with boundaries. Emotionally immature parents may struggle to establish healthy boundaries. They may invade their children's personal space, ignore their privacy, or have difficulties respecting their autonomy. Poor communication skills. They may have difficulty expressing their needs, emotions, or concerns effectively. They may resort to passive-aggressive behavior, manipulation, or avoidance instead of open and direct communication. Exhibit childish behaviors. Emotionally immature parents may display immature actions, such as temper tantrums, blaming others for their problems, or displaying a sense of entitlement. They may struggle with taking responsibility for their actions. Now that you know what emotionally immature parenting looks like, you might be wondering how it might show up in your life as an adult. The consequences for adult children raised by emotionally immature parents can be significant and long-lasting. It may manifest in the following ways. You may have low self-esteem. Growing up with emotionally immature parents can lead to feelings of unworthiness and self-doubt. Adult children may struggle with low self-esteem and a lack of confidence in themselves and their abilities. You may have difficulty regulating your emotions. The inability to learn healthy emotional regulation skills from your parents can result in challenges managing and expressing emotions as adults. You may experience mood swings, difficulty identifying your feelings, or struggle with emotional intimacy. You may harbor a fear of abandonment or rejection. Adult children raised by emotionally immature parents may develop a fear of abandonment or rejection in relationships. You may struggle with trust issues and have difficulty forming secure and healthy attachments. You may show codependency patterns. Some adult children may develop codependent tendencies, seeking validation and approval from others to compensate for the lack of emotional support received during childhood. You may have difficulty setting healthy boundaries. Adult children may struggle with setting and maintaining healthy boundaries in their relationships. You may have difficulties asserting your needs, saying no, or tolerating conflicts. You may be repeating the same patterns. Without awareness and intervention, you may unconsciously repeat the same emotionally immature patterns in your own relationships and parenting styles, perpetuating the cycle. However, you're here, right now, watching this video, which means you want to heal your inner child. Here's how you can do it. Embrace self-compassion. Embracing self-compassion is a powerful tool in our healing journey. Often, as adult children, we carry internalized blame or shame for our parents' emotional immaturity. It's crucial to show ourselves kindness and understanding as we recognize that we are not responsible for their behavior. Through self-compassion, we can foster self-acceptance and begin to heal our inner wounds. Rebuild self-esteem. Rebuilding self-esteem is a vital step towards healing. Growing up with emotionally immature parents can lead to feelings of unworthiness and self-doubt. But we have the power to change that narrative. Through self-reflection and self-compassion, we can gradually rebuild our self-esteem and cultivate a healthier self-image. A great resource for rebuilding your self-esteem is the Self-Love Workbook by Megan Logan. This engaging workbook is specifically designed to help you release self-doubt, cultivate self-compassion, and wholeheartedly embrace your authentic self. Set healthy boundaries. Navigating boundaries is essential for adult children of emotionally immature parents. As children, we may not have been taught the importance of setting boundaries or expressing our needs. In this segment, we'll discuss practical strategies to establish and maintain healthy boundaries in our relationships, empowering us to protect our emotional well-being. The first step is to understand your own boundaries. Take time to reflect on your needs, values, and limits. Clarify what is acceptable and unacceptable behavior for you. This self-awareness will serve as a foundation for setting boundaries. Learn to communicate assertively. Express your boundaries clearly, calmly, and assertively. Use I statements to convey your feelings and needs. For example, say, "I feel uncomfortable when you criticize me, and I would appreciate it if you could refrain from doing so." Be consistent emotionally. Immature parents may test your boundaries or push against them. Stay consistent in enforcing and maintaining your boundaries, even if it is met with resistance or guilt tripping. Consistency sends a message that your boundaries are non-negotiable. Set consequences. Clearly communicate the consequences of violating your boundaries. Let your parents know the actions you will take if they continue to disregard your boundaries. It may involve limiting contact, taking a break from the relationship, or seeking professional help. Focus on nurturing relationships that are positive and supportive. If you would like more information about setting healthy boundaries, then I suggest you read this book, The Set Boundaries Workbook by Nedra Glover Tawwab. It offers practical exercises for understanding your needs and setting healthy limits. Reparenting yourself is a profound and transformative practice. As adult children, we have the opportunity to provide the love, care, and support that our younger selves may have lacked. By nurturing our inner child, we can heal past traumas, meet our own emotional needs, and create a foundation of self-love and self-nurturing. Remember, healing takes time and patience. It's essential to engage in self-care practices, seek support from trusted individuals or therapists, and be gentle with ourselves throughout the process. By embracing these recovery strategies and committing to our healing journey, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and break the cycle of emotional immaturity. That's all for today's video. I really hope you found these insights and strategies useful as you navigate your own healing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep rising and healing.